Here's how you can make baklava. It's a popular dessert in Turkey. It has super crispy layers.
The root word of baklava means piling up, just like my overdue bills.
I'll be using pistachios and I'll pulse them into a food processor.
We're using pistachios I'm chopping up with my knife. Not that I have anything against food processors, I'm just used to handling nut with my hand.
At the bottom of a baking tray, I'll add clarified butter, and on top it'll be a thin sheet of phyllo.
This is my first time working with phyllo, and I realize it's just like my heart. Fragile and clogged with oil.
And I'll repeat this process 11 times.
And I lost count around the 7th layer already.
On the 11th, I'll add pistachios.
Once it's thick enough, I'll add pistachios.
And then I'll repeat it again.
Now I gotta do it 11 times again. This kinda reminds me of changing bed sheets or down comforter covers. The corners are never quite right.
And lastly, I'll add 11 more layers on top.
That's like 32 layers in total. For the last couple, I'll just go 2 at once. Will you be able to taste the difference?
Senator, I don't know.
Then I'll make slices and add more clarified butter on top.
Then we'll slice it evenly and add some more butter on top.
And cook this at 375 for about 40 minutes.
Cook at 350 for 40 minutes.
To make the simple syrup, just add sugar, water, and lemon juice and boil it.
We'll do 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, 1 squeeze of lemon, and then boil it till it gets thick.
Now pour this all over your baklava.
Pour the hot syrup all over the freshly baked baklava. The smell from my house is so good, the neighbor's son is crying out of jealousy again.
Damn.
And garnish with more pistachios.
Get the last bit of nut in.
Wait about an hour before you eat, and that's it.
Wait till I'm no longer patient. And then we'll use the ligma fork to grab a nice looking piece. Admire it for a little bit. Get into burger position. And bite it with high hopes.
I need you all night. Come on.
It's almost perfect. It's moist, embraces my mouth with sweetness. It's just not calling me daddy. I can't believe such simple ingredients can come together into such complex flavors. Highly recommend this recipe. Alright, thank you.